Welcome to my channel, TK Learn. Subscribe now. Lion, lion, lion means sing. Tiger, tiger, tiger means bag. Elephant, elephant, elephant means hathi. Dog, dog, dog means kutta, cat, cat means billi, cow, cow, cow means guy, buffalo, buffalo, buffalo means bands. Goat, goat, goat means bakri. Horse, horse, horse means ghoda, monkey, monkey, monkey means bandar. Deer, deer, deer means hiran, rabbit, rabbit, rabbit means khargosh. Sheep, sheep, sheep means bhed, pig, pig, pig means swar. Bear, bear, bear means bhalu. Wolf, wolf, wolf means bhediya. Fox, fox, fox means lomdi, camel, camel, camel means oont. Zebra, zebra, zebra means zebra, giraffe, giraffe, giraffe means giraffe. Cheetah, cheetah, cheetah means cheetah. Leopard, leopard, leopard means tendua. Crocodile, crocodile, crocodile means magarmach, hippopotamus, hippopotamus, hippopotamus means daryai ghoda, kangaroo, kangaroo, kangaroo means kangaroo. Rhinoceros, rhinoceros, rhinoceros means ganda. Squirrel, squirrel, squirrel means gilhari. Rat, rat, rat means chuha. Bat, bat, bat means chamgadad. Panda, panda, panda means panda.